I wonder when your country first went into lockdown, if your news media was like ours, was filled with lots of stories of people rushing out and buying up all the toilet paper and the hand sanitizer and the face masks and hoarding them in their houses, even though there were others who had to go without. Evidence of looking after number one. And some of this is motivated by fear of scarcity, of things running out, that caused people to take care of themselves first and worry about other people later. But I wonder if you've also noticed that as time has gone on, more and more stories are surfacing of others caring for each other, caring for others. That people have prioritized their own, prioritized the safety of others over themselves. And of course, we think of our healthcare workers, those working in hospitals and in our communities who are taking great risks to go out and care for others. This family devotional series looks at these two things, looking after one another and versus caring for others. And you can find the material in the comment section below. But I've been wondering that as the situation goes on longer, it's going to be harder for us to maintain our focus on caring for others. As we get scared or we get bored or we get anxious, the focus on caring for ourselves may take precedence. So now is the time to be reminding ourselves that this is God's call to care for others, to love our neighbour. And one way we can keep this in the front of our focus is by celebrating, naming and celebrating. So when you read a story online or you hear something via a Zoom call or in talking with a friend or a neighbour over the fence or via Zoom, share those stories, share the good stories of those who are caring for each other, and then take time as a family to talk about them and to praise God for them. Find those role models of people who are choosing to care for others, even in the most difficult of times. Find those role models, talk about them, and praise God together for them. In New Zealand, we have just recently relaxed some of our restrictions, which we really hope is going to be us heading in the right direction. And so in my household, we made a cake and celebrated it. Took the time, any excuse to eat cake. So what I want to offer you today is simply this. Name those people who are caring for others and tell those stories. Find those role models and celebrate. Celebrate it when you see it in your own family, in your own household. When someone makes the choice to think of others before themselves, see it and celebrate it as a family. Greetings to you and your household. May God bless you, keep you safe and protect you.